Honesty matters. Vulnerability matters. Being open about who you were at a moment in time when you're in a difficult or an impossible place matters more than anything. Having a place the story starts and a place it's going, that's important. Telling your story as honestly as you can and leaving out the things you don't need, that's vital. That's a quote from Neil Gaiman. The reason I tell you this is it's because I'm taking a storytelling class through Second City. It's actually more like therapy than storytelling, actually. And my instructor, Colette Mix, wonderful woman, brought that quote up, and I thought it was very poignant. During this class, we learned that there's a story recipe. There's actually a recipe for a good story, and this is storytelling in person. And there's seven things. Pace, you want to change the rhythm. Eye contact, you have to have really good eye contact. Embody the movement, so you feel the story. 4, energy, you have to have enthusiasm. But not like that. 5, have a great opening line. You want to catch your audience attention. 6, play with proportions and contrasts. And 7, details. A lot of times, stories are all about the details. So I'd love to hear what your story is. Have you seen someone who's a very good storyteller? What do you remember from the story? Anyways, comment below, like, share, and appreciate your watching. Take care.